So the solution isn't really choosing between, do I do bespoke code or do I find a no code approach? It's really trying to figure out how to strategically integrate both of them. So with the code-based automation, typically that involves programming languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, frameworks like Selenium, like I mentioned earlier, or Cypress and Playwright. And the strength here is the flexibility that you get to in order to get some deep customization in the testing that you're doing. So you can pretty much test anything that you can think of with code and fine tune your approach for some of those complex scenarios. And for the no code automation, that is kind of like the Jetsons, if you will. It relies on visual interfaces, a lot of record and playback functionality, and a lot of pre-built components. So tools like Applitools Autonomous, allows testers to create automated tests with minimum coding. Now, I'm not going to say no coding, but I will say minimal coding. And the advantage here is just really speed and accessibility. And so with the accessibility, it means that our team members without coding backgrounds can still contribute to the automation effort. It gives them, a new skill set. It gets them a new challenge, but they don't have to become a developer in order to contribute to the automation effort.